To that.
Yes,
And
we are.
Are you guys hungry?
Yeah, starving.
We're always hungry when Angie Horkin is joining us from the Wisconsin Beef Council, and of course we've got the football.
We are
returning
ready for the game, you guys.
You're always asking for that hat. What are we making today?
Well, for the last home game, we're going to make a really awesome, delicious glazed flat iron steak recipe.
Yum.
So sorry, Chris, he's not here this morning, but we have a delicious steak. So let's talk flat iron quick. Flat iron is actually from the chuck. It's very beefy flavor, but it's the second most tender cut behind the tenderloin. So kind of a newer, less popular cut and a little more economical than a tenderloin, but it's perfect on the grill since it's so tender. And then it's got that great beefy flavor, so like chuck roast.
Yum.
So yeah, it's a wonderful cut. So we took it, we grilled it. Now we're gonna make a glaze. That's where the al pastor comes in. It's kind of like a spicy, sweet, spicy glaze. And it's starting with pineapple. Just half of a can of crushed pineapple. Equal amount barbecue sauce, about 1/4 cup. Then some ancho chili powder. Give it a little heat.
There we go.
Because it is going to be in the 40s, right? So, and windy.
Whatever football
you
for
stay
you.
warm somehow.
And then a little bit of sweet onion, and then a little bit of garlic. So do this ahead of time before you head out to tailgate. I just got it in a little food processor. Kind of mix that up.
I gotta get me one of those.
I know. It's even red for the badges.
Oh, you're so good,
So-
Angie.
Half of this onto the flat iron. Put it in the fridge, marinate it. You don't have to marinate it very long since you're not marinating for tenderness, just flavor.
Okay.
But I do it the night before, just because.
Easy.
So here's what it looks like. Here's the other half. So I need this put on toasted baguette. Josh, Michelle,
All
anybody?
right.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Then
You're up.
here is the flat iron.
Right down the middle?
Yeah,
Or just kind of
that'd be
everywhere?
perfect. Here's the flat iron. It's been resting. So I grilled it to about nice medium rare, 135, 40 degrees. Let it rest. It's been resting about 5 minutes. I'm gonna grab my clean tongs. So we're just gonna slice this up. And then I grilled pineapple alongside because we're gonna put some more pineapple on top of our steak. And then just a little shredded lettuce and pickled red onions. So a lot of flavors going on. But you can definitely make these ahead of time or just assemble them if you are on location tailgating. But if you tailgate from home, super, super easy.
Oh, yum.
Wow,
Okay, look at that.
Oh my
it smells
gosh.
delicious.
Oh,
So if you guys just want to
Wow.
bite a steak, I'll do this.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
of course I do.
There's I knew you did.
My
I knew
hands
you
are
did.
clean. Let
Okay.
me just.
Then we're gonna do grilled pineapple.
I'm not
got
patient
it?
enough.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay. Like that. Then shredded
Sneak peek,
lettuce
it's tasting good so far, you guys, just so you know.
and pickled onions. Yeah, there it is. Isn't this beautiful?
It's beautiful
This is
and
a
it's delicious.
sandwich.
Wow.
And something different. Like, this is just something I would not think of
Yeah.
to make for tailgating, and I love that.
Yeah, and you can cut
my
it up
bottom.
easily, share it.
Do like this.
Look at that.
Yeah, we're gonna slice it with a bread knife. Oops.
That's okay.
Slice it for everybody. Okay. Beeftips.com is the Wisconsin Beef Council website, and we've been talking about that. You go right to As Seen on TV, and we got all the tailgating recipes we've done
Take
all
your bite.
season.
I'm not waiting.
Right
No,
there.
don't wait for us. You take your bite.
But this
How
is
is
the
it?
al
Oh my
pastor
God.
glazed
It
beef
looks
flat
really
iron
good.
steak sandwich.
All right, you can
That
find that on
pairing.
tips, you guys.
Yeah.
That is
beautiful.
amazing.
Is it
the
good?
pineapple, the sauce. Oh my gosh.
A little heat from the ancho chili powder.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm so
Try
happy.
it on.
Get in there, guys.
All right.
All right,
Put my hat
beeftips.com.
down. Sorry.
So go Badgers tomorrow. And hey, gotta give a shout out to the Reedsburg Beavers today. 10 a.m. We're
State.
playing at
You
Camp Randall.
Still got the red on,
Got
right?
The nephew number 2, Will McConowitz, is playing. So I gotta give the Beavers a shout out today.
Awesome.
All right.
Well, thank you, and
Shout
thank
out to
you
the
so much for all of your help this
Yeah, thank
season
you.
and helping
Of
us tailgate.
Yeah. We'll do it next season.
All right, perfect,
Absolutely.
Angie.
Look forward to it.
Thank you.